Continuing coverage of a Kershaw County assisted living facility that shut down. The South Carolina Department of Health says Southwinds Assisted Living put residents at risk.
News 19's Jamin Wade with a closer look tonight at the inspections that led to their closure.
Tonight, the state health department says their inspection showed a pattern of serious violations inside Southwinds Assisted Living in Kershaw County. State records show 3 failed inspections and 1 passing inspection over a 17-month period, each uncovering conditions that the state says puts residents in danger. On February 14, 2024, state inspectors found multiple deficiencies and issued a score of 0%. According to the report, the facility failed to document hospice care, failed to update residents' care plans, and properly stored controlled substances, and left expired medication mixed in with current one. The report also said staff allowed medication to be stored in residents' room without physician approval, in some cases next to toothbrushes or in shared bathrooms. In May of 2024, a second investigation uncovered similar violations. DPH said medications were missing, the doctor's orders were not being followed, and medical notes were out of date.
If we feel that there's an immediate threat to the health and safety of the welfare of the residents, we can recommend an emergency suspension order.
Then came the final visit this month, where inspectors responded to a complaint that the owner had fired all of its staff, called police, and left residents inside without supervision. Inspectors found 8 residents in the building, 3 more than the facility was licensed to house. There were no trained staff present at the time. Doors were chained and locked from the inside. Medications were left out in paper cups. Training records dated back to 2013, and 1 resident who was in hospice care and required nursing home support had not been transferred.
We received a complaint basically stating the owner of the facility had fired all of the staff. There was concerns that there would be no one there to care for the loved ones. So we did follow up.
Based on those findings, DPH issued an emergency order on July 15th, immediately revoking the facility's license. All residents were ordered to be safely moved to the new location. Right now, Southwinds Assisted Living is permanently closed. I reached out to the Kershaw County Sheriff, who tells me that DPH is handling the investigation and currently do not have any plans to press charges. The owner and administrator have not responded to our request for comment. Jamin Wade, News 19 WLTX.
And of course, we will continue to follow new details in this story and bring them to you as they happen.